Tutorial 38, SolidCombine. SolidCombine is doing the extruding feature pad with help of other sketch. Extruding a sketch with a guide of a second sketch, and they should both be intersecting. So to let you understand the idea, let's make a sketch on the XY plane. Let's make the first profile. So we have, this is the first sketch or profile, exit, and now let's create another sketch on a different plane, YZ this time, sketch, and let's choose another profile. Let's choose the rectangle, and now we have, let's choose escape, let's choose center point rectangle. Exit. So now we have two sketching that intersecting with each other. So now we're going to extrude one of them with the help of second, or with guiding of the second sketch. Now here you see the SolidCombine feature here on the right side, or from insert sketch base feature SolidCombine. Let's now activate the SolidCombine. Sketch 1. Now we extruded the second profile with helping of first. So this is the preview. If you edit the first sketch, for example, let's delete this sketch and create another sketch. Now you have different shape, and let's edit sketch 2, delete, and make hexagonal. So this is kind of cool tool for creating some special solids.